I'm here to talk with you today about the shelter sharpening kit that we've put together primarily for our timber framing class, but it has been incredibly popular with a variety of woodworkers sharpening any of your square edge tools. So bench chisels, timber framing chisels, plane irons, and so on. We have a QR code here that really gives you a very detailed tutorial on how to set up the honing guide and so on. Today I'm just going to show you what's in the box when you order it, what arrives to you. So open up the box here. Got lots of fun stuffing. It's all wood, so you can just throw it in your fire pit or your wood stove. We've got a microfiber cloth that is covered in wood. We've got a microfiber cloth that we use for cleaning everything when you're said and done. We've got our lapping plate that has a 320 and a 180 grit sandpaper on it. Those are replaceable, but you should be able to get several sharpenings out of this. We've got our leather strop, aluminum oxide, which you'll pour on the leather strop, and this little jar is kind of nice because it actually is sort of like a salt shaker, so you don't have to get your fingers all messy and so on. You just sort of pour it right onto the leather strop, and then you can set aside and keep on going. And then we also have the MK2 Veritas honing guide, which is sort of the key piece here. In sharpening, so many people ask what the best method for sharpening is. And really, there are many ways to do this. So this is just one system that we've developed that we really love. And the piece that's really critical in sharpening square edge jigs and most knives, as well as axes and pretty much everything, is that you hold your tool at the right angle consistently. If you can do that, then you can use any kind of abrasive that you choose. We like this system because it's extremely cost effective and virtually no maintenance. So we've got the MK2, the roller, the jig for setting it up. We have our glass plate with sticky back sandpaper on it that you can peel off and replace. And we have our leather strop that sits right on top of the glass. So one of the things that's particularly successful with this kit is because there's sandpaper on both sides, it doesn't move much on the table. And then when you go to put that final edge on your tool, you put your strop right on top of the leather glass, and again, it doesn't move. So you're really kind of locked in. It's very easy to set that portion up. The microfiber cloth comes in handy because as you're sharpening, a tremendous amount of steel and slurry sort of accumulates on your sandpaper, and you can use this to gently scrub off that steel, and it sort of revitalizes the sandpaper, helps it last just a little bit longer. So it's a handy little cloth. Plus, you can never really have enough microfiber cloths in your life. And this one we really like because it says think, build, live, which is our motto. If you end up purchasing the kit, scan the QR code for our in-depth instructional video on how to use the kit. If you're interested in this kit or any other hard-to-find tools, click on the link below. And also, if there are tools that you're interested in learning more about, make a comment so we'll follow up with a video down the road. Thanks so much for joining us.